How to remotely download Steam games with phone. So let's get started. First of all, download and install the Steam app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Once done, simply tap on the Steam and make sure you are logged into your Steam account. Now all you have to do is scroll down and look for the app you want to download, or you can tap on the search address bar and search for the games you want. So here I'm just choosing one from the sale. Simply tap on it. Once tapped on it, scroll down until you see the add to cart option available there, and simply tap on the add to cart. Now tap on the view cart option available there and go to the cart section. Here you can see the amount of payment you need to do in order to download this game. You can simply pay it via your card or PayPal and download it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.